Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 and 11. So the first thing that you'll need to do is just to use the search bar and then type out Task Manager. Okay, and then open this one. Then we will have to click on the performance. Okay, so this. And then we will be able to see here the cache of our Windows 10 or 11. So remember that one. So in order to clear the cache, we will need to go to this website. Okay, so just open your Microsoft or browser, and then don't worry, this is a very safe application to download since it's from Microsoft Store. So just type out this RAM map v1.61 and then download RAM map. And then from your downloads, just right click this one. Okay, and then click on show in folder. That's right. And then here, just right click this one again and then extract all. Okay, and then just wait and then click on extract. Okay, that's right. And then here we'll be able to see this folder. So just choose the one with the big KB. So let's go the first one. So you will have to right click this. Okay, just right click and then click on run as administrator. And then click on agree. And then you'll be able to see this box here. Now let's open our task manager again for you to see the live difference that it will make. So here is our task manager and our current cache. Okay, just click on memory. So here is the cache. Okay, and then when we go to this application, this box, just click on the empty and then click on empty standby list. So just remember our cache. So when you tap on that, our cache will be removed, or it will reduce. So if your cache will be much bigger than this, it will go like 20 gigabytes or more than that. So you'll just have to do this in order to remove the RAM cache of your Windows 10 or 11. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.